Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on hydrostatic forces on surfaces. In this video we are going to solve a problem about inclined plane surface submerged in liquid. So first I will read what is the given problem. There is a concentric circular hole of diameter 1.5 meter in a circular plate of 3 meter diameter, which is immersed in water in such a way that its greatest and least depth below the free surface are 4 meter and 1.5 meter respectively. Determine the total pressure on one face of the plate and position of center of pressure. So this was the given question. Now let us first understand the construction diagram as per the given data. Now if we observe here, for the circular plate which is having a concentric hole of 1.5 meter diameter is given. So we have to first construct that, and then it is given that from the free surface of water the greatest and least depth of this circular plate is given. So this depth is given that 1.5 meter and 4 meter. So from this we conclude that this circular plate is inclined here with an angle theta, because the two ends, that is this is the top end and this is the bottom end. Suppose we consider this as a circular plate, then this top end and bottom end, the depth from the free surface of water. So here is the free surface of water that we have to show here with horizontal line, and the depth that is at the top point and bottom point is different. That means this plate is getting inclined with an angle theta. So we have to show that. So how to show that? Because this is the surface of the circular plate and which is inclined at an angle theta. So when we observe this circular plate from the front, we can see this circular plate in the form of edge. So here the edge B to C, that is indicated. So C is the top point of the circular plate which is at 1.5 meter distance from the free surface of water, and B is the bottom point of the plate which is at 4 meter distance from the free surface of water. So here we have to show this edge. Now within this edge of 3 meter diameter we have to show the circular plate. So I have extended here these lines or these points B to C, which are, so these extension lines are perpendicular to these inclined lines. Now here the angle of theta is unknown, so we have to take here approximate angle of theta and we have to take these 2 points for 3 meter. Then these lines or extension lines are perpendicular to this inclined line, and here we have to draw the circular plate with concentric hole. So this is the view of the plate that is normal to the surface. So here we have to first draw this 3 meter diameter circle, and inside it there is the hole that we have to show for 1.5 meter diameter. So this is the construction diagram as per the given data. Now what is the question here? That we have to find out what is the total pressure that is getting, or total force applied by the liquid on the surface of the plate. Now if we observe, here is the surface of the plate, because inside this there is the hole of 1.5 meter diameter. So here that I have shown with the lines, this is the only surface, and we have to find out what is the total pressure or the force getting applied by the liquid on the surface of the plate. So this is the first question, and then the second question is that we have to find out what is the center of pressure, that we have to find out. So what is the formula for the total pressure applied or the total force applied by the liquid or by the water on the surface of the plate? So F is equal to rho G A H bar. So what is A? A means area. So in this case we have to find out what is the area of contact, that is with this plate and water. So this is only area that I have shown here. So with the lines, this is the only area that is in contact with the water. So we have to find out what is the area for this. Now here it is given that what is the area for this big circle with 3 meter diameter. So D is equal to 3 meter. So area pi by 4 D square, that is pi by 4 3 square, which is equal to 7.0685 meter square. Now we have to subtract the area of hole. So what is the diameter of hole? That is D0 is equal to 1.5 meter. So again we have to find out the area of this hole, that is A0 pi by 4 D0 square, that is pi by 4 into 1.5 square, which is equal to 1.7671. So to find out this area that I have making here lines, we have to subtract the area of hole from this big area of this circle. So area of given plate, that is this is the plate. So 7.0685 minus 1.7671. So this is the area, that is 5.3014 meter square. So this area we have to take file calculation for the total force getting applied on the plate, because this is the only area is contact with water. Then what about the H bar? So H bar means what? That is the center of gravity distance from the free surface of water to the center of gravity point. So again if we observe, this is the plate, then here at the center there is the center of gravity. So we can say that this is the top point and this is the bottom point, then at the middle point only there is the center of gravity. So we have to take the middle point for this B to C, that is 1.5 meter distance from this point and 1.5 meter distance from this point, and here is the point G, that is G for center of gravity point. And we have to find out what is the distance from the free surface of water to this point G, and that is equal to H bar. So this, if we observe this diagram, here is the line with F to G. This is the line shows the distance H bar. So how to find out this H bar? Now if we observe here, we have to make one construction, that is here the distance is given, that is distance D to C, that is top point 1.5 meter is given. Now from this point C we have to make here one construction, that we have to draw here one horizontal line. So here is the free surface of water, that is also horizontal line, and if I draw here one horizontal line, then the point of intersection for this F line FG we will say here as a point I. So I will draw here with the help of red marker. So this is the point I. So this DC is equal to Fi, and Fg means what? That is H bar, and Fg is equal to Fi plus Ig. So we can write here H bar is equal to Fi plus Ig. Now Fi, we know what is the value of Fi, that is equal to DC, which is equal to 1.5 meter. Now how to find out this distance Ig? Now if we observe here this line, that is the inclined line making an angle of theta with this horizontal line. Now this is also the horizontal line and this is the same inclined line. So here with this construction line, that is I have shown here with the help of dash, this is also the angle equal to theta. So if we observe this triangle GIC, then sin theta is equal to Ig by GC. So if I write here sin theta is equal to Ig by GC, then what is the value of Ig? So Ig is equal to, we can write GC sin theta. Now what is the value of GC? As G is the middle point, here the value is 1.5. So we can write here 1.5 sin theta. So in this way we will get the value of H bar, that is the distance Fg, in terms of theta. Now here the angle of inclination, that is theta, that is unknown here. Now again if we observe, we will consider this triangle ABC. Now here is ABC, because when I draw this horizontal line, it intersects at point A to this line EB. That is, this distance is given here. EB distance, that is 4 meter, that is given. Now if I write here triangle ABC, here is also the angle theta. Now what is the value of sin theta? So this here is the angle theta. So sin theta is equal to AB by BC. Now if we observe here, sin theta is equal to AB by BC. So BC value is known value. Then how we can write this AB? So AB is unknown, but if we observe this EB is known as well as EA. EA is also equal to DC, because this is the horizontal line and here this is also the horizontal line. That means these are two parallel lines, and this DC is equal to FI is equal to EA. So this AB is equal to EB minus EA. So what is this EB? That is 4. 4 minus 1.5 divided by BC is equal to 3, and that is equal to 0.8333. So this is the value of sin theta. So now we can put this value of sin theta in this value of h bar and we can calculate the h bar. So answer is 2.749 meter. So in this way we will get the h bar. So how to calculate the total force or total pressure that is applied by the liquid on this plate? That is rho g a h bar. So rho, that is the density of water, that is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. G 9.81. A, so here A we have to use this 5.3014, and h bar, that is 2.749. So what is the answer here? That is 1,43,018 Newton. So this is the answer for first question. Now we will move to the second question, that is the center of pressure. So we know that the location of center of pressure, that is the point P, is below the center of gravity point. So we have to show here the point P and we have to extend this point for this inclined edge. So here is the location of point P on the edge of that circular plate. Now how to locate this point P? So for that we will measure the distance from the free surface of water to the point P, and this distance, that is, if we observe this diagram, the distance from L to P, that is equal to h dash. So we will find this h dash. So what is the formula for the h dash for the circular shape area? So here h dash is equal to Ig sin square theta by A h bar plus h bar. So this is the formula. So Ig means what? That is, here the suffix g is used, and Ig means the moment of inertia about the axis passing through center of gravity point. So the axis is passing through this point G, and we have to find out the moment of inertia about the axis passing through this point G. That's why here the suffix g is used. And what is the formula for Ig? So here, because of this, there is the hole inside it. So what is the formula for Ig? That is pi by 64 d raised to 4. But we will consider this d for this hole also, that is d0. So we have to subtract the diameter of this hole. So what will be our formula for this type of plate? That is pi by 64 d raised to 4 minus d0 raised to 4, because this is the hole, that means there is no any area of the plate or no any surface is there. That's why we have to use here, or we have to subtract d raised to 4 minus d0 raised to 4. So when we put the value, that is 3 raised to 4 minus 1.5 raised to 4, then we will get the answer 3.7275. So this is the value for Ig. Now we know sin square theta. So we have to put here sin theta, that is 0.833 square. Then A area, that we have to use here area 5.3014. And h bar, that is 2.749. So when we put all the values that we have already calculated, then we will get the answer 2.927 meter. And this is the location of the center of pressure from the free surface of liquid.